Eastern king snake. Here, tarantula.
So we have a lot of, well, I should say a lot, but we have some similar animals that they have here. We used to have a Harris hawk, we have a crow, we have barred owls. So we do have some, but some. Oh, we do have programs that are
Wala, di ba? Walang naman. Pero ano yan? Corn snake. Where's the snake? Corn snake. Yeah. Oh, meron. Oh, may snake talaga. Ano yan? Oh, yun ang corn snake. Ah, marami yan sa amin. Mayroon ba?
Naka-ano yung ulo.
Nasaan? Where? Ay, oo. Nakalabas yung... Ay, nakalabas yan. Nakalabas yung ulo. Baka may laman yung iba. Hindi lang natin nakita.
Maybe inside sila.
Diyan, wala bang
Oh,
laman?
maganda sana to. Oh, puti. Oh.
Oo, puti. Pero wala na. Baka namatay.
Ayun.
Where?
Sa loob.
Ay, oo, nandyan. Let me see. Oh, that's the white snake. What do you call that? What do you call it? Let me see. What call is that? California king snake. Oh, that's California corn snake. That's it. Ooh. Oh, there's a snake. Is that live? Is that live? Snake? I think so.
I didn't even see the snake.
You didn't see it? That's a plastic.
Is that frog?
Yeah, there's a fish.
Are they frogs?
Where's the frog?
I think the frog.
Yeah, the frog. I think it's plastic.
I think the snake is plastic.
A snake is plastic, and then the turtle too is plastic, right?
No, the turtles are real.
Oh, the turtle is real? Oh. Oh. What are you doing?
They are going to get their breakfast, I suppose.
Ah.
But they're getting some worms and some vitamins. So
Oh.
they're going to come out and get their food for the day.
All right.
I can grab
So-
them in the water.
Oh, that's really turtle raw. That's live too. Oh yeah, it moves. Ooh. Oh. So you will get them to feed?
Yep.
You will not put the food there?
Well, we do for one turtle, but if we feed them all in here, it makes the water really dirty.
Yeah, I know. Just
And then
like
they
in
all
the
fight over
aquarium.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the same thing in aquarium.
So we take them out, we feed them separate.
Oh.
This big guy gets fed in here just because he's kind of spoiled. So
Oh.
we feed him in here.
Oh, yeah, that's real.
yeah.
But the snake is not real.
The snake is not real, and the frog.
And the
is not.
frog is not
But
real.
everybody else.
All right.
Yeah, I know. He's just relaxing right now.
All right. Oh. Let's go to the other side. Look at me. What is this? What is here? Oh, that's a rat. It's a big rat, but it's fake, right? There's no rat like that. There's no rat like that big, right? Bak nakita natin yan, baka mamatay tayo sa takot. Ang birds din, oh.
Aswang na yan.
Ito. Birds. Bird ito. At saka yan, mga anong tawag dyan?
Yun ang paborito ng anak ko, owl.
Oh, yeah, owl. Anong tawag dyan? Yung nasa kahoy?
Chipmunks. Ay, ito squirrel ito.
Oh, squirrel. Oo, squirrel yan.
Ay, ito pero chipmunk. Ay, ito chipmunk. Oo, ito. Ito chipmunk.
yan. Alright. How about this one? What's inside? Let's see. What's inside? Oh, there's a man. Oh, there's a skeleton. Is that an owl? Oh, there's an octopus. Watkins Boneyard. Oh, this is Boneyard. Watkins Boneyard. Kaya puro bones. Oh, may skeleton. Oh, skeleton na ba? Shukoy. Mermaid. Like here. It's a mermaid. Skeleton of a mermaid. Look at him. Oh, Lord. Is there inside? Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, there's inside.